everyone. Today I'm going to read you Pinkalicious. Let's see the story here. It still has the title, Pinkalicious. There's a bundle of cupcakes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's see, there's 6 cupcakes. And the title's here again, Pinkalicious. It was a rainy day, too wet to go outside. Mommy said, let's make cupcakes. What color do you want? Pink, I said, pink, pink, pink. Look at her face. She's surprised that it's raining a bit. Look at the raindrops. I think he's in the room right now. Mommy put in some pink. More, I cried. More, more, more. I gobbled up a couple of cupcakes for Mommy. While Mommy and I frosted them, they were so yummy. They were Pinkalicious. I overtold Peter, my little brother, and he was very, very picky and didn't want to eat his, so I ate it. Oh, forgot to tell you what she's doing. Well, on time. She's just holding a cupcake and eating it. There's lots of cupcakes that Mommy made. Oh, I see the pink bottle. It looks very real. It looks very real. Please, Mommy, can I have just one more? I begged when I woke up from a nap. You get what you get and you don't get upset. She said, but I got very upset. She has so many toys. Why don't you play with them? They just woke up from a nap and she wanted more cupcakes. No, that is not healthy. After dinner, I ate more cupcakes. Then I refreshed and ready to go to bed. Just one more cupcake and I'll go to sleep. And I promise. Daddy waved a tired finger at me. You have had enough. Look at her. She barely wants more cupcakes. Let's count these cupcakes again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cupcakes again. The next morning, when I woke up, I was pink. My face was pink. My hands were pink. And my belly was the color of the sunset. Daddy thought I had pink fingers, so he gave me a bath. The pink did not come off. My hair was the color of raspberry sorbet. I cried because I was so beautiful. I even had 2 tears. I put on my pink fairy princess dress and stood in front of the mirror while Mommy squeezed inside and pretend I'm Pinkarella. Look at me. I'm Pinkarella, I sing. Mommy grabbed her purse. I yelled all the way out the door. Mommy took me right to the doctor's office. Well, I forgot. Here, she's all like pink. Here on this side, she's just like all pink. All pink. Everything's all pink, and this is how they just said it. Here, you don't know how to read this because they don't have to read it. So she's on the back with her rubber ducky. She's still pink. And look at her. She's very beautiful. She's crying. Oh, baby. So,
filming right now?
Have a very rare and a cute.
Are you filming?
I'm damn busy. This is for my video. It's very important. You have a very rare and a cute case of Pinkalicious. I guess that's not the worst thing that could happen. Just come. Then Dr. Wink said for the next week, no more pink cupcakes, pink bubble gums, or pink cotton candies. Boo! To return to normal, you must eat a tasty chip of green. Yucky! Yucky! Yucky, yucky! Oh, tried it. And look, she's sad because she has to not eat like this pink candies anymore. The doctor's very mad. Very mad. Very. Look, we're on the next page. On the way home, we stopped it at the playground. My friend Allison was there, but she didn't see me because I bundled in with the pink rings. When I waved to Allison, a bumblebee landed on my nose. Buzz! Oh, I am not a flower. I screamed at the bee. Look, it's waving, and there's the bee. Allison's right there, and her brother Peter's right there. Peter's playing the ball. Soon I was surrounded by bees, butterflies, and birds. Mommy, I cried, please take me home. She's all surrounded by these bees, butterflies, and birds. On the way home, when we left the playground, I asked Mommy if I could eat another big cupcake when we got home. Don't you remember what the doctor told you? She said, no more cupcakes. Peter tugged at my pink tails. I wish I were pink like you, he said. He was green with jealous. Last night I pretended to eat my dinner of musty dark green vegetables after everyone went to sleep. I sneaked into the kitchen, climbed into a chair, and reached all my tippy toes to the top of the refrigerator where Mommy made a cupcake. When I woke up, I felt different. I ran into the mirror and prepared up my reflection. I was a deeper pink that I have never seen. In fact, I was no longer pink. I was red. Do you want to see it? Not good. I was red. Oh, no, not red. I screamed. I didn't want to be red. I should not have eaten the pink cupcake. I wanted to be something. I knew what I had to do. held my nose and squeezed a bottle of icky green relish into my tongue and ate pickles and spinach, olives, and orca and corking down our cokes, gazed on the grapes, and burb, and burb, up, Brussels sprouts. Next thing I knew, my arms tickled, my ears tickled, and my feet twitched. I was no like a pink, I was no like a red. I was me and I was beautiful. So what happened to the rest of the cupcakes, Pinkalicious? Daddy asked. Just then Peter ran in and yelled, "Ready to see this? Ready to see this? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, peekaboo!" That was a good story, everyone. Bye-bye, I'll see you later. Visit my channel and subscribe in the subscribe button. Bye.